In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace videos in Canva templates. Let's get started right from your browser. Open Canva by searching for it online, then head to the home page. Before you do anything else, make sure you're signed in to the correct account and workspace so your uploads and designs are exactly where you expect them to be. Once you're in, find the template or design where you want to swap the video. You can open something from your recent designs or browse templates and pick one that includes a video placeholder. The important part is to open the design in the Canva editor so you can see the canvas and the left-hand sidebar. Inside the editor, look to the left and click on Uploads. If you don't see it right away, scroll the sidebar or click More to reveal it. This panel is where all your media lives, and it's the quickest way to bring in your own footage. Next, click Upload Files, select the video from your computer, or drag and drop it into the window. Canva supports common formats like MP4 and mMovie, and larger files may take a bit longer, so a stable internet connection helps. You'll see a progress indicator while it uploads. Wait until the upload finishes. You'll know it's ready when the thumbnail appears in your uploads list without a loading bar. Avoid dragging it to the canvas before it's done, as that can cause hiccups or partial previews. Now for the swap. Click and drag your new video from the Uploads panel directly over the existing video on your canvas. When you hover over the current clip, you'll see it highlight or snap into place. Release the mouse, and Canva will replace the old video while preserving the frame, layout, and any filters or effects attached to that placeholder. If it lands in the wrong spot, just press Ctrl or Command plus Z to undo and try again. Fine-tune as needed. Double-click the video to adjust the crop or reposition the subject inside the frame. Use the trim tool to shorten the clip and adjust the volume if you need to mute or lower the audio to match your design. If your design has multiple pages, repeat the same drag and drop replacement on each page that contains a video. To keep timing consistent, check the page duration so your clip length matches your layout. Hit play to preview and make sure everything looks smooth. If the framing feels off, toggle between fit and fill to avoid awkward cropping. And that's it. You've replaced a video in a Canva template quickly and cleanly while keeping your design intact.